Hello everybody. So on to the next one. Just going around them today to see some updates, and we're going on to next phases and things like that. So this one is a huge property, really big, and this one is coming along nicely. So this is going to be bedroom 1. So really large bedroom in there, which could be for a couple, dual occupancy, and this one too. See ensuite in there. This is another huge room. So as we go through here, this used to have like a corridor and everything, but this has all been opened up. It's going to be like a large kitchen dining area in here. We're also doing a big extension on the back. So this is going to be some nice communal space in here. This one is another part of the communal space, and then the extension out the back is going to house a bedroom. So we've got some lovely stuff going on in here. It's all go today. Lots of projects to see. We have 14 active right now. So a mixture of different strategies, different areas. So this is another room. So obviously we've got some fresh plaster on, which is good to see. A nice big room again. This one is literally about 3 minutes walk from the town centre. So another ensuite in here. We're going to have the nice built-in wardrobe and everything as usual. Nice quality. Nice big bathroom in here. Looking very good. And then go through here. So this is the smallest room in the house. But again, we've like pulled out the walls and everything to make it a lot better. Built-in wardrobe here. And then that bathroom that you've just seen is for this bedroom. Another huge room, dual occupancy. So although it's 8 bedrooms, we have sui generis on this because we can get 12 to 14 people in this one. Another ensuite. This is another big room. So we've got all new windows going in to help with that noise. This is a big double room, but again, single occupancy in this one because it needs to be a minimum of 12 square meters for dual occupancy. And then go up onto the 3rd floor for the last room. So this is a nice big room for this person. So this again can be a dual occupancy room. So look, there's like a little cupboard space in there. Yeah, so really good property. Stay tuned. It's coming along nicely, and celebrate.